Here I have ZTE Blade A602 and let me show you how to enable the developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you have to find and select the settings icon, scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose about phone. So here you need to find and select the build number, and let's tap a couple of times on this number. As you can see, you are now a developer, so you can go back to previous list, choose advanced settings, and here at the bottom of the list you've got developer options. Let's tap it. Here, for example, you can enable OEM Unlocking, so you can tap enable and you may allow the bootloader to be unlocked. You may also scroll down and enable USB Debugging right here. Let's read the warning and tap OK to allow USB Debugging. You can also enable the bug report shortcut. You can select Mock Location App and do other developer stuff. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.